Hello everyone, welcome to another video related to databases. In this video we are discussing about how to install MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. So it is classified as a NoSQL database product, and MongoDB utilizes JSON-like documents with optional schemas. Obviously, we are going to discuss how to create a database in MongoDB and what to do with it. So we are going to download MongoDB in our computer, and in order to download that, just search MongoDB download on Google. This time we are going to select MongoDB Community Server Download. This is a free software. You will come to this particular link, and here just scroll down. In my case, the current version is 7.0.5. It can be different in your case. You can choose your platform. In my case, I have Windows 11, which is a 64-bit operating system. So I am selecting this option here. Package I am selecting as MSI, and I will download. It is going to take some time to get downloaded, so I will pause this video. So our download has finished. I will run this MSI file, and it will ask me to click next. You can read the license, and if you accept all the terms you can click next. I have read it previously. Here you can choose the setup type, whether complete or custom. In custom, it will be asked to select certain features like server, router, miscellaneous tools, but we are doing a complete installation. In this step it is asking you, so it is asking us to install MongoDB as a service. It simply means that when you will restart your computer or when your computer starts, MongoDB will be running as a service, and you can start or stop that service from your services menu. Here is the data directory. So it is installing in C program files MongoDB server 7.0 and data, where our data will be stored, and whatever we do, some logs will be stored, which will be stored at this particular location. Here also you just have to click next. Then there is an option to install MongoDB Compass. Obviously it is an optional thing that you can do, but it is a graphical user interface. So by checking below, this installer will automatically download and install the latest version of MongoDB Compass on machine. So let's just search about MongoDB Compass to get idea. The Compass is a free interactive tool for querying, optimizing and analyzing your MongoDB data. So this tool is very much helpful. It will help us in creating our databases through our GUI. And now we have selected all the options, and now we can simply click install. Based on your computer's configuration, it will take some time to install everything. It is asking me to provide a pin, so that will not appear in your case. I am just using another user account on my computer here. I will pause this video. So now you can see installation has been finished, and you can see welcome to Compass. This is how Compass looks. This is your URI. You can copy it. These are some advanced connection options. Obviously we are going to understand everything in great detail in upcoming chapters, but for now let's simply connect. And when you will connect, you will see some sample databases are already created here, and here is a simple plus sign. Using this plus sign you can create a database. Let's say we want to create a database for SchoolDB. Collection name we will leave empty. Time series collects efficiency, stores sequence of measurements over a period of time. So we will choose this option later. So after MongoDB 5, this new option is there, time series. We will discuss about everything later, but let's say we want to create a collection about teachers in our database. So in our school DB, there will be a collection called teachers. Let's create this. Now you can see school DB and our collections teachers. Here we can add data aggregations, we can define schema, indexes, validation and everything. So we will discuss all of this in our upcoming chapters. This video was just to demonstrate how to install MongoDB that you have already learned.